And if it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other, you should have seen it in color.
Good morning, guys. 11:42. I'm home myself. I've been up since 10:50. I cannot get the TV to cut on the living room, so I would just sit here, play vlog on my phone, play vlog on my tab, watch. Yeah, or something on my tablet, play my Switch, read on my tablet. You know, it's whatever at this point. A lot of crap is coming out of my third day. That's a good thing. So I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, guys, 11:46. The TV just cut on. It's time to turn on One Tree Hill. And chill. So yeah, bye guys. It is 3:06. I turned off One Tree Hill. I'm gonna try this movie. I haven't seen it in a while. I used to love this movie when I was younger. I watched it a few months ago. Not even a few months ago, maybe a year and a half ago, honestly. But I'm gonna sorry. Turn it on, and I'll talk to you guys later. And it's 4:27. I finished watching that movie. My voice is still going in and out, and I hate it so much. Let's do Air Bud. I started a while back and only got like a few minutes into it, so I'm gonna watch that. Bye, guys.